Hello, good morning everyone. I am Dr. Vinayak, Assistant Professor and HOD, Department of Botany, SVS College, Bantwala. Uh, Today, in this video, we will discuss an introduction about the paper fifth, that is plant physiology and ecology. For the fifth semester botany, you will have a paper fifth, that is plant physiology and plant ecology 1. In this paper regarding the syllabus, so we'll have a 4 unit. The first unit is plant water relationship. In the plant water relationship, you will study the water absorption, physical concept of water absorption, imbibition, diffusion, osmosis. So like that you will study the different concept related to the plant water relationship. In the second chapter, we will study the mechanism of plant water absorption. That is, there are mainly two types of mechanism. One is a passive and another one is a active absorption. We will study in these two concepts in the second chapter. In the third chapter, we will study the ascent of sap. In that, we will study the pathway and mechanism of ascent of sap, and we will study the some theories related to the ascent of sap. That's the root pressure theory and cohesion and tension theory. We'll study that. In the third chapter, we'll study the transpiration, the definition, cuticular and lenticular transpiration, uh, and the mechanism of stomatal movement. That is mainly by the starch hydrolysis theory and potassium protein exchange theory, and the factor affecting the rate of transpiration we will study in this chapter. And also we will study the concept about the guttation. That is a simple concept on guttation. That is the first unit. In the second unit you will study the mineral nutrition. That is what are the nutrient, that's a macro and micronutrient, what are the present in the soil, their role to the plant. And also we will study the hydroponics and also the uh, concept of the fertigation. So all these study in the uh, unit 2 first chapter. In the second chapter we will study the salt absorption mechanism. That's a passive absorption of the salt by taking the example of ion exchange mechanism, by giving an example of Donan equilibrium theory. And also we will study the Landsberg theory and also cytochrome pump theory we will study in this chapter. In the third chapter we will study the plant enzymes. That's the properties of enzyme and nomenclature, structure, composition of the enzyme, and the coenzymes, cofactors, and mode of enzyme action and enzyme inhibition, and factor affecting on the enzyme activity. All we will study in the chapter 3 in a unit 2. Unit 1 is related to the plant water relationship. Unit 2 is related to the mineral nutrition and the salt absorption mechanism. In the unit 3 you will study the metabolism, that is the carbohydrate metabolism, nitrogen, and the fat metabolism you will study in the unit 3. Carbohydrate metabolism, that includes the classification of carbohydrate, structure of the ribose and sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose. That is a simple classification of the carbohydrate. And also specifically you will study the metabolism of sucrose and starch only. In nitrogen metabolism, we will study the sources of nitrogen and biological nitrogen fixation, that is a symbiotic and asymbiotic nitrogen fixation. And we will study the importance of the root nodules in a legume plant. Let's continue with the fat metabolism. That's a general account on fat, synthesis of glycerol, fatty acids, and also we will specially focusing on the fat degradation and glycolate cycle and significance of the cycle, and you will also study the plant waxes. So this is the unit 3 that consists of metabolism, that's a carbohydrate, nitrogen and the fat metabolism. In the unit 4 we will study the concept related to the ecology. The first three unit, that's the unit 1, unit 2 and unit 3, it is related to the plant physiology, and the unit 4 it is related to the ecology. In that ecology you will study the ecological factors, that is especially the climatic factors, that's the light, temperature, humidity and vegetation, topographic factors and edaphic factors. So like that you will study the different ecological factors, and also the you will study the plant and animal interaction, that is biotic factors, abiotic and the biotic factors we will study in the first chapter. In the second chapter you will study the concept of the ecosystem, types of ecosystem, energy flow, food chain, ecological pyramid and population, community, biome, biosphere, all these study in a unit for second chapter. And also in the third chapter we'll study the plant succession, definition of the succession and types of succession, and the stages of the succession we will study in this chapter. So generally you will have a 4 unit, that's a first unit, already you know that the first unit is specifically focusing on the plant water relationship, second one is a plant mineral and nutrition, third unit is on the metabolism, and the fourth unit is on the ecology.